How to create your own majestic paper dragon. Introduction. Welcome to the dragon's lair. Grab your paper and get ready to create your own majestic paper dragon. This video will guide you through the easy and fun process of folding a dragon from scratch. Whether you're a seasoned origami expert or just starting out, this video is designed for you. Getting started. Let's gather our materials. First, you'll need a square sheet of paper. A good quality paper is recommended for crisp folds and durability. Choose a color that represents your dragon's personality, perhaps a fiery red or a mystical blue. Folding the head, creating the dragon's majesty. Start by folding the paper in half diagonally, creating a triangle. Next, fold the bottom corner to the top, forming the dragon's head. Make sure the fold lines are crisp for a perfect dragon shape. Folding the body, shaping the dragon's wings. Now fold the bottom edges of the head inwards to create the dragon's wings. This step is essential to give your dragon a powerful and dynamic appearance. Experiment with the angle of the wings to create a unique dragon silhouette.